hindi ako pwede magsalita para sa kanya or for her team. I am speaking also from what you see, what you also see. I think it's only logical that an announcement now would perhaps lessen the resolve of certain congressmen, no, to lightly adhere to some to some impeachment complaints, no. Pero hindi ko alam, ako po ay humuhula lang din katulad ninyo. Pero again, we have to take what she said at face value, no, na talagang it's more of an answer to a calling. Even the timing, I think, is not suspect kasi sabi nila ibang-iba naman to dun sa parang yung binay na sinasabi nila, the binay phenomenon.
Baka mabinay ka.
Oo, yung mga ganon. Ibang-iba naman kasi ito po, matagal na naman po siyang inaambahan ng kalaban at there's nothing new, no? So, I don't think the timing is suspect. I think it's because she and her team have finally realized na medyo matagal po talaga pumick up ang voting population, no. Matagal makarating sa kanila ang mga balita, matagal gumawa ng mga desisyon. So medyo inagahan nila para malaman na finally at magalvanize po yung mga votes na talaga namang para sa kanya. And lastly, I think it's also, I really think she wants to give us hope, no. Nagbibigay siya ng reason for us to hope in this what I perceive, what we perceive as medyo dire times.
Okay. Attorney Jimmy, pulsuhan ko lang yung inyong grupo, siyempre mga supporters ng mga Duterte, lalo ni VP Sara. Kung after nung kanyang press kanina, kamusta yung siyempre baka nag-group chat kayo para malaman namin kung kamusta sila, at bibigay natin sa mga ibang supporters na nanonood kung kamusta kayo after hearing that. Pero at the same time, tutuhog ko na sabi ni Senator Robin, Sara Amy daw. Ano bang posibilidad noon para sa inyong mga supporters?
Opo, dalawa po yung tanong nyo, no? Yung chat
Yes.
groups tsaka yung Sara Amy. Yung chat groups po, hanggang ngayon, kung hindi lang po naka-silent tong phone na to, hindi tayo makakapag-usap dahil nagsasabugan po talaga yung mga chat group. And I think, as I told you, hope is a beautiful thing, Talagang, there is hope within the ranks. And we cannot dispel this as just wala lang yan, political lang yan. You have to look at it from our perspective. Ako po ay very admitted I am really from the Duterte side. Pero para sa bayan po ako.